Sooner or later, if you haven't done so, you'll discover the value in doing a series of sketches, exploring a single theme. Exploring a theme is one of the best ways to advance your artistic vision. It'll get you sketching away from self critical concerns about your technical abilities. It'll get you thinking of exploring themes as not just an exploration of things, but rather exploring ideas. This is how to really take your sketches beyond. With a single drawing, you're barely getting warmed up. But when you're drawing in a series, you can get more in depth from drawing to drawing. One sketch will shine a light on the next sketch. As you're exploring themes, you're taking on an entirely different direction with your sketches, a direction determined by the supporting ideas of your theme. Exploring themes is one of the best ways you can let your imagination take over as you sketch. But what makes a theme worth exploring? Let me break this down into two parts. First, it must drive your curiosity, grabbing your interest so much that it acts as an engine for your sketches. Second, your theme selection should have boundaries and limitations. A theme is a thread that holds everything together, a powerful enough idea that is seen throughout the body of your work. The number of ways you explore as you draw can be indefinite. Your theme should act as kind of the core mission statement of your work. For example, you may explore your idea in a dozen or so sketches in an hour, or you may spend years doing thousands of sketches on just a singular theme. It really depends on your direction and drive as an artist. Whichever you prefer, your theme is what's going to deliver the most focus in your work. And once you've chosen a theme, I want you to be specific with it by giving it a title. Let's say you're going to do a series of self portraits of yourself every day for 12 days each morning. You could create a title such as 12 self portraits every sunrise. This way, you can give your theme a cohesive shape. You'll find that as you explore your theme, it'll evolve the more you work on it. I suggest giving it the time it needs to take its own direction. If you do a dozen sketches in one day and come back the next, you'll deliver a new perspective to your work. What matters the most as you're exploring your theme is that you're genuinely curious and interested in it, so you'll embrace it fully. The best way to choose your theme is to draw what you're naturally interested in, sketching what you like. You'll discover that subjects that interest you may not interest others, but that's okay. I want you to draw what excites you. The best themes are the ones with the most possibility for image heavy explorations, subjects with countless interpretations, but still fall into a controlled foundation. Every creative thought and imaginative idea involves putting together at least two elements in a unique way, juxtaposing the two core elements of your theme in as many visually interesting ways as possible. Here are some random theme ideas that I just came up with. One is dreams and science, self portraits and the morning, nude figures and mythology, cafe sketches created with your opposite drawing hand, cats and space exploration. There's really no rules. Like, in fact, my work, I'm simply a wildlife artist. That's a overarching theme of what I draw. But then I can dive down deeper into really specifics like just parrots, just macaws. So it's really up to you and what you want to draw. So are you starting to see how simply merging two elements, sometimes weird elements, can give you a push into a new sketching theme to explore? Remember to keep a loose and exploratory attitude as you sketch. Just because you have a theme doesn't mean you have to have a plan for each sketch. Keep it curious and exploratory. There's a unique relationship between an artist and the themes they're exploring. Awesome themes will give the energy to create each sketch. As you finish one sketch, you can't wait to start the next. As you're sketching one sketch, a new idea for the next sketch will pop into your head before you even finish. Everyone has a unique set of interests and experiences to draw from, resulting in unique perspectives and voices. 20 artists could all have the same theme, but each will explore it in a truly original way. It's your mission as an artist to bring to life the themes you choose to explore. Sketching is one of the best ways to discover yourself. By doing things we didn't think we knew we could do, or by expressing ourselves in ways through subjects we don't fully understand, when you start to develop your sketching themes, it's okay if you don't know what the outcome will be. We never know what the ending of things will be like, which is what makes life and sketching exciting. This is what the core of taking your sketches beyond is. To let curiosity and exploration drive your sketching without the fear of perfection stopping you. I have 3 action steps for you. First, I want you to come up with a theme by merging 2 unique subjects or ideas together. Make sure it's something that's going to hold your interest over time. Second, I want you to create at least 12 sketches exploring your theme, making sure you relate each sketch visually while falling under the umbrella of your theme, essentially creating a cohesive body of work that feels as if they belong together. If you were to drop these 12 sketches into a pile of hundreds of sketches by hundreds of other artists, anyone would be able to pick your sketches out of the pile. Third, as you're creating sketches for your theme, put them up on a wall so you can see all of your work together. Seeing your work develop over time and all together like this will help you create a cohesive body of work.